Well, good morning again, Tamiya fans. Welcome back to the channel. If this is first time viewing, thank you very much. If you're a return viewer and subscriber, super appreciate it. Very happy, like I said in the last video, with the way things are going. Subscriptions are going up and views are going up, and I just love it. It actually enables me to buy more kits and bring more content. So sort of everyone wins on these ones. Today, I actually want to talk about some M chassis. So a year ago, believe it or not, this was released. It was actually a year ago tomorrow, 26th of August 2023, which is about, if you've watched any of my old videos, you'll see I went around the world and made a heap of content in hobby shops. None of me talking, it was just music over the top. But I've been back a year. That means I haven't bought a new in-box kit for a year in Australia, which is a bit of a rarity because I was having one every month or two at some point back then. But anyway, I've wanted one of these for ages because I love the M chassis. I've got this M Mini, and I just love the chassis. I love the size of it. I think they just look super cool. I've always loved this kit, and I wanted to try this one because I know how versatile it is. It has a lot of variants in chassis length, and it has front motor, rear motor, height adjust in the rear motor. So I've been really intrigued with it for a year or so, and I thought, now's the time to go get one. So I shot down to Ace Hobbies in Midland yesterday, saw Scotty, he had one on the shelf and grabbed it, and I thought I'm going to make a couple of videos on it. Today's just going to be an unboxing video on it, and then I'm going to do some videos of me building it, setting up for how I build it. I'm going to buy some hop-up parts for it today, and I'm going to fit them all when I do the build. And I'm going to show you, make a video about how to paint polycarbonate RC bodies, how I paint mine anyway, whether I'm doing it right or wrong is how I do it. So yeah, I wanted to go through this, have a good look through and show you guys what comes in the kit. If you do want kits and you're in Perth, definitely go to Midland at Ace Hobbies. If you're in Australia, he does a lot of mail stuff, so you can buy online, and his prices are sensational. So that's pretty much the only place I buy stuff from. He's a good dude, and he knows a lot what's going on, and they're a good team in there. So look, I'm going to open this up, I'm going to have a hunt through, I'm going to show you all what it comes with, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video because this is one of the unboxing videos. I've got no news from Tamiya this week, so no release news or anything like that. So hope you enjoy the video, guys. Alright, let's take a look inside. So MB01 chassis. You can see here we've got a couple of different setups. So midship, rear motor, rear wheel drive, and front motor, front wheel drive. So you can see the different locations there. I also saw on the side of the box, you can actually change the height. I'll get around to that. So it's a generic box. So this is you actually see that's a sticker here for the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. But yeah, just a sticker on the box. So they're obviously going to be producing this chassis with a whole bunch of bodies over time. So here's what I read before. So you can have a low motor position or a high motor position, which, I guess if you want a higher center of gravity or a lower center of gravity, maybe for drifting you want maybe a little bit higher. I did see on RC Mart there's a conversion for the front. I'll put a picture on the screen for rear wheel drive drifting. So that might be a mod I'll take out in the future maybe. It's also adjustable wheelbases, so you've got short wheelbase, middle wheelbase and long wheelbase, 210 up to 239 mils. So very, very versatile chassis. Doesn't come with bearings, so I'm going to get a set of bearings for it, and I'm going to get a set of CVA dampers for it. So oil shocks and bearings are the two basic sort of modifications to have a bit more fun with the cars, and obviously you're going to need your radio gear separately. But yeah, it should be a pretty fun kit to build. I'm looking forward to it. Let's have a little look inside. Okay, so we got, this looks like bumpers and body mount posts, and these are suspension arms. There's that Alfa Romeo body. It's a pretty cool body. See how much smaller the M's are really, but yeah, it's awesome. That'll be a fun one to build. I'm going to do box art, so I'll do pretty much like that, colour wise and with the stripes and everything, so that'll look cool. Yeah, fun little build. Yeah, now I can pop these bags open because I'm going to build it, so let's have a look right inside. So there's the Alfa Romeo wheels, nice grey colour. Tyres. M chassis tyres. the chassis there. So you can see these are the 3 different adjust points here and here, so you can work out that length variation. Dog bones, plastic dog bones, and hubs, and cups. So they're, yeah, maybe they're upgradable. I'm not sure. I'll have a check around, see if you can upgrade them. And then more bits and pieces. So there's the chrome pieces for the grills and the mirrors and stuff. So that looks pretty nice. Finished really well. Typical Tamiya. And these looks like these are the gearbox covers, strut towers, stuff like that. I think this is going to be crying out for a different diff. So I'll see if I can find one, because this will just be sort of open one. So I'll try and find a different diff for it. I'm sure there's an upgrade available already. Yeah, plastic. They're the plastic bearings and the brass bushings. We'll upgrade them straight away. Gear set. Try and upgrade that straight away. And the damper pieces and suspension arms looks like. C parts. All the balls and nuts for the wheels, and looks like the steering shaft. China made Mabuchi RS540. Body clips. B parts, so you get your Tamiya wrench and your springs and some more bearings. Yep, cool. That was the receipt. Hide that from the wife. Rear hubs. Well, yeah, looks like some hubs. Oh, these are the bottoms of the springs. Ball cups, and yeah, it looks like maybe some battery retainers or something. Yeah, that's the suspension. It's a pretty basic sort of shock. And some more gear cases here. Cool. And then the kit specific instructions for this one. So usually they're this way. It's a bit of a different one, this one. As always, Tamiya instructions are incredible. It's perfectly well laid out. These are all to actual scale, actual size, so you can't make a mistake. I'm going to show you when I start building how I set up for a build. I do it a little bit sort of OCD, but it works for me. Yeah, it's a different way I've always done it, and it just seems to work. Yeah, perfect. And we've got a bit of extra information to me already send out. Just important information covering the kit: sharp edges, points, jagged parts, disconnect battery when not in use, all that sort of stuff. Settings. Oh, chassis setting seat for this chassis specifically. Different types of steering servo setups. How to read the diff. How to change the wheelbases. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Height adjust, changing the drive system and layouts, and rear arm rebound stroke screws. Bit of adjustment with them, which is sweet. And changing wheel position. Rotate and balance. And looking last, decal sheet. Oh, of course, antenna post, but decal sheet. So they're the body stripes. And window masks. Awesome. So there it is, the unboxing of the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTA Sprint. I reckon it's going to be a fun little build. I'm looking forward to running it. I've actually got a brushless motor and up ready for it to go. I'm going to get all those hop-ups today. I'm going to order them, and yeah, I'm going to put it together, and hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. I know a lot of people like the news videos. I prefer making the news videos, but there's no news. We need to put something out. So this is it. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please, if you do like these, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up. And also, if you're watching to this point, thank you very much. Is the flickering fixed? Because I found a fix online with the editing software I use that said I could sort of get rid of the flickering. So I think I've fixed it. I can't see it, but I've got bad eyes. So if you guys aren't seeing the flickering anymore, can you let me know? If you're seeing the flickering, can you please let me know that as well, and I'll see what I can do to try and fix it. I think it's these old fluoros, but yeah, I might change where I record. I like it down here because, yeah, I like it down here. Anyway, see you in our next video, guys. Maybe next week. So have fun. See you soon. So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're going to love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.